Fucking love this shit. Creamer's amazing. Light sugar, light ice. I more commonly go by Universal Healthcare. So I drove the Camry here, scared shitless, middle of the night, doing like 35 miles an hour the whole way through. You know, I was like, these twisties are like interesting. They're interesting. Come to the time of my life where I need to buy a car. I was kind of stuck between what I needed to buy and what I should buy. You know, you think about what hits all the check marks, and you have a Subaru WRX. Cup holders galore. Do I really need to go on with what I could use this car for? Or is like that enough? Got a job, got a Subaru. I started bringing it out. Had a friend who was really into Touge. Had an Evo at the time. And he was like, oh, we got all-wheel drive, so we should both come up here and drive together. He wanted to come out to this road quite a few times because he liked it. Pushed me to really care about how good my footwork is in the car. I kind of just started frequenting it more. And I left for college. I come back home to you know, come back to my home road. Problem is, at that point, the road was closed. So I didn't get the opportunity to drive here for about a year. Opens back up and I come here and I'm like, wow, like, it's still shit. Yeah. All right, ready to go?
Yep, yeah.
Traction control off.
So why don't you introduce yourself, Mr.
Oh, Universal Healthcare?
Yes.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh.
I drive a Subaru WRX. I had a Miata, wrecked that. I like to go fast. My name's not Jeff.
He likes that. How's the wind noise on you guys?
Wind noise is whatever.
Okay. Well, looks like he has a blow-up valve behind us.
I believe it's a bypass valve.
Probably. It doesn't sound very loud. In for that one. Oh boy. Wait, hold on. Let's park up here for a second. He seems to be catching up, so let's use him as a chase car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, damn.
Alright, back to our regularly scheduled programming. My train of thought is not there right now.
Okay. After this guy passes.
M5 again.
Jeez.
M5. It's got adaptive dampers, like, hello.
True.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have stock suspension either. What are you running?
Oh, no, I don't. I've actually got the Fortune Auto 500s. Really good coilover for what you pay. I've got the Swift springs on there. Spring rate's actually nearly identical to the OEM spring rate. Alignment correction, so, you know, control arms, all that good stuff. A new Challenger approaches, hello. So the behavior's not too much different. It's just that it has a lower center of gravity right now. The one downside though is that it is on the OEM sway bars. It makes for like interesting characteristics because, you know, if you throw it hard enough and you get the body to roll enough, next thing you know,
oh, Lotus! What? Oh boy! Hey!
Let's see if he hits the brakes.
Yeah, he did.
You know, I raced the orange Lotus. Homeboy thought he was slick because he was in a Lotus and he was wearing an orange shirt to match his orange Lotus. And I dust him, right? And he looks over and he's mean mugging me. I'm just like, dude, what?
What?
Yeah, literally just like, what? And then he gasses off. I'm just like, I wasn't even trying to race. I was just trying to get to class. Whatever. Back to this thing.
Okay,
yeah, all-wheel drive. It's the WRX, not the STI. Absolutely stock, no access port. For roads like this, I actually, honestly believe I don't need more power. It picks up quick enough. I'm in third gear through the majority of the road in the power band, and then you're just shitting your pants. Some people think it's not enough power, and so most commonly in the forums and the Facebook groups and such, I see people buying access ports, all this other bullshit, and it's like, okay, you got your car built to 350 at the wheel, but you're not doing shit with it.
Yeah.
Like, right. It's so fucking aggravating. Oh my God. You know, I'm not at that level of driving right now anyways, to where I can fully utilize limit of grip of the STI. Really, like once you're at the limit of grip, that's when you can really play around with the car and like do what you want and get fast.
Hold on, should we be chasing this guy at all?
Who, the Lotus?
Yeah, that's coming back.
Honestly, I'm still sober and it's what, 7 p.m. now?
Tons of cans, okay. Whenever you're ready, and that's a prelude. Just make sure we're recording.
Alright, time to control on.
We are recording.
Yep.
Get my seatbelt on so I don't fucking die.
Uh-oh.
But, nah, you're fine.
Strap in, buddy.
Yep. It's just doing that really obnoxious thing where it's like locking up on you.
Oh. Yes, yes.
There we go.
Perfect.
Before the first couple major turns too.
Yep.
Oh, almost died.
Almost. Slow down here because coilover.
And
Make life
massive
difficult.
bump. Oh
Yep.
god. It's like running over a dead body.
Yep. Down south, the rev limiter, no biggie.
Oh yeah. No biggie. Oh, left foot braking.
Yep, you already know.
Oh yes.
Snoop.
Say hi to the glasswork and the Miata.
Definitely slidey.
Oh yeah. What's that SLK?
Looks like it.
He's always here as well.
Personally, I don't know.
Oh boy.
That's a big boy. Man, we got normies.
Drive him off the road.
Yop, yop. Look out my way! We don't want you coming here.
And now we're on part of the Touge review where we discuss on how comfortable certain cars are.
Yeah, for example, this car.
For example, this car, Doug DeMiro would call it a 2 out of 10 in terms of creature comforts.
Yep. He would also say that it would get terrible scores overall because he reviewed the Type RA and said that one was also lightweight shitty. Oh, thank you.
Oh boy, they both went
Both
over
of
it.
them.
Oh, impressive.
I appreciate you.
As the A4 overtakes the SUV that also pulled
Really?
over. God damn it.
This part is terrible coming up. Ready? Slump.
Oh god. I mean, I'm pretty sure if you put dead bodies on this road lane at night, you wouldn't tell between a dead body and a bump.
Well,
It's perfect.
good thing I tapped the brakes there. Could have been bad. I feel like I might have too much pressure in the rear, and that's what's causing all that oversteer like that.
Maybe. It's unfortunate that this car doesn't have tire pressure monitoring.
Dude, I know, it's ridiculous. Like, you would expect that from something that costs this much. But
Yeah.
nope, they can't even give you that.
our eyes and we pray for the Miata that died here one night.
You know what I do? I'm like super slow through this corner now. Yeah.
For us to have to pay respect to Miata.
I pay respect to my own past car.
F. Oh, hey, it's the Golf that's always here. I like recognize all these cars now.
Oh my, did you feel the back end whipping around when I got on the brakes?
Oh, yes.
Oh boy.
Brake. Yeah, no, this is really weird being able to recognize all the regulars that come through now from like their daily commutes.
I know, right?
Like this guy is just some old dude. And then he comes through here like every day, coming home from work, and then you have us assholes. Fenders are pretty spaghetti right now. So like there's like this bulge in it. This is like home improvement, really ghetto.
Ouch. Oh, that's so much better, holy shit!
Oh, we got it.
Dude!
We did it, Reddit. We did it.
We did it.
Fender roller.